Hey, what's up? It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial we're going to look up for some more option which is available under type menu. We have this 3D text, we have this fit headline, resolve missing fonts, find slash replace font, and also we're going to use this change case for our text. So first I need to make a rectangle shape. I'm going to Control C, Control V and put it right here. So we're going to use this area type tool and we're going to click on the path of this shape and also for this one. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to just delete this part of the text, and here I'm going to select these two different area type under this rectangle shape. So now we need to convert that into this 3D text. So we're going to click on create. So when you are going to delete this text, so as you can see this text is going to delete. So now I can add the text. So the text when is going to done here with this part of this box which is over here in this area, so automatically this text is going to start from here. This is really useful when you're going to make any profile or when you're going to add more text to your document. So this is really useful. You can link this one to the other box just next to this near to this box or next to this one, which when it's going to end here, so it's going to start the text with the next area that's available here. And how we're going to release that, you can just go to this type menu and here we have this release selection, or you can just click on this remove everything as well. So we're going to click on everything to remove it. So this is how you can remove. And the next option here we have this fit headline. So you can fit, we're going to put this as a headline here for this text. We're going to add our text. So this is going to be the headline. So we're going to select that. So according to this box, so now if I just go to this type menu and click on fit headline, so according to this text box, the headline is going to show up here. So this is how you can change it, your headline for your text. And if you click on the character, you can see we have this tracking, which is no value is available. If I'm going to change that to 10, so as you can see the headline is just going to change again to this half of the box. And if you want to just make it according to this text area or this box for this text, so we need to select that and go to this type and here click on the fit headline. So this is how you can fit your headline here. And also we have this resolve missing fonts, and how we're going to resolve that, you need to open any document. So we're going to open this document with the missing font, and I'm going to just click on resolve missing fonts. So when you click at that, so this document is there is this missing font, you can click on replace fonts, or you can just go to this type menu and click on find slash replace font. So we're going to click at that. So from here I can select my text, so I can just go with something this rubric, and I'm going to click on change. So now this text is changed, and we have the next text which is like a pro. So for that I can go with something a different one, so I can click on change, or I can just click on find. So it's going to find the same font which is missing from this document, and I can just find it and click on change, or you can just click on change all, so everything is going to change according to your selected font here. And also we have this replace with font from the recent, you can replace it from the system, and if you click on documents, so only the document font is going to list up here. Or you can just click on this save list and you can save this list. And if you want to activate the font, so here you have this activate font that you can select that, but there is no activation for now. For this, you can just click on this document and you have all the font which is listed here, which is missing from this document. And the next option under this type, you have this change case. So I'm going to select this text here and I want to change case to uppercase, so we're going to click at that. So as you can see, all the text is now changed to uppercase. And if I want to change that to lowercase, so I can do with this text from this change case, I can just convert that to title case, and also here I can convert to sentence cases as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to use all these options which is available with type menu. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.